Hi, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax, Pompano Beach. Gonna give you a little tour on this fresh trade-in. It's a beautiful tan gel coat Boston Whaler 150 Montauk. It's got the fishing package, live well in the transom. Got a full boat cover, an engine cover, bimini top. It is a 2017. It's super clean. You got a tackle drawer storage here on the starboard side, cooler seat, rod storage. Then there's a bimini top. Boat is in pristine condition. Really great little runabout boat. Cruise the intercoastal, do light offshore fishing. It's located here in Pompano Beach. If you want to come see it, give me a call. Justin Costello, 954-633-2070. 2017 Boston Whaler 150 Montauk, no trailer. This is our trade and available for purchase. Justin Costello, MarineMax, Pompano Beach, 954-633-2070.